6:30, St. Louis County's new prosecuting attorney is already making changes to the office in an effort to bring down violent crime. First Alert 4's Alexis Zoto sat down with Melissa Price-Smith, who is the first woman to hold the position, and we are hearing her take on a wide range of issues, from the death penalty and how politics play into her office.
There's a new prosecuting attorney in St. Louis County, but you won't find Melissa Price-Smith's name above the door like her predecessor.
I'm a prosecutor. I'm not a politician.
Well, it's her first week as the top prosecutor.
I'm Melissa Price-Smith.
She's been a member of the office since 2008.
The sexual assault cases and child abuse cases that I have worked on for years are the reason I get up in the morning. I have worked with some of the strongest people I've ever met, and in that I'm talking about the victims.
Which is why focusing on bringing down violent crime in St. Louis County is her top priority, starting with immediately creating a violent crime unit.
We have a strong veteran prosecutor who's running that unit, and he will have other prosecutors working with him. He will be on call 24/7 with law enforcement to review violent offenses and issue charges without delay.
More changes are coming, including forming a specific homicide unit. She hopes establishing open communication with St. Louis City Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore will also help bring crime down.
You know, the people who commit the crimes don't see the imaginary lines. It's the same people who commit the crimes in the city and the county, so we need to focus on sharing our policies to make the whole region safer.
As well as repairing relationships between her office and law enforcement.
When I say working closely with police, it doesn't mean we always agree. In reviewing cases, there are plenty of times where charges aren't issued because of various reasons, maybe lack of evidence, maybe more investigation is needed. So in building a relationship, I want the citizens of St. Louis County to understand it doesn't mean we always agree with police, but it means that we have a trusting relationship.
When it comes to the death penalty, Price-Smith says it's something she would consider on a case-by-case basis.
If the death penalty is a deterrent for one heinous, horrible murder, then it has done its job.
Her appointment as Wesley Bell's replacement became political over the last 2 months, with County Executive Sam Page selecting former U.S. Attorney Court Van Ostrand and Governor Mike Parson selecting Price-Smith, who is a Democrat.
The appointment's been made, and now it's time to get to work. I know Dr. Page cares about St. Louis County and its safety, as do I, and I'm confident that he and I can move forward and work together.
Price-Smith says the investigation into St. Louis County Council member Dennis Hancock over nepotism is ongoing and will be reviewed. But what about the county executive?
There are no talks in this office about an investigation into the county executive, and this office will be a strong prosecutor's office focusing on crime. We have hundreds of cases currently under review. We have thousands of cases pending. That's where our focus will be, not on politics or drama.
Another immediate priority is tackling budget concerns within the prosecuting attorney's office, with an internal review and a possible state audit in the future. In St. Louis County, Alexis Zoto, First Alert 4.